How to pay your Allstate insurance bill online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can pay your Allstate insurance bill online. You can do this through the website, or also you can download the Allstate app on your device. For the website, open up any web browser and head over to allstate.com. Once you're on this web page, tap on the login option. Now enter your user ID. Then enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, tap on the login option. After you have logged into your account, you want to go to the billing section, which is found under account overview. Now you want to choose your preferred payment method, be it credit, debit, or bank account. Then you want to enter the payment details. Fill in the required information, including the amount you want to pay and your payment details. Now review your payment details for accuracy. Submit your payment. You should receive a confirmation email or notification once the payment is successful. And this is how you can pay your Allstate insurance bill online. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.